What's up, everybody? I'm finna show you guys how I adjust my liner blades and make them a little bit more sharp. And I have to change my blade on my clipper because the blade is broken. And as you can see, I'm finna open up the pack. And before we get started, everybody hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. And as you can see, we're just working with the regular Andis TI liner clipper. And the blade is terrible, as you can see. We finna take that off and change it out. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is just unscrew the two back screws, as you can see here on the blade. And once you take those off, everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. And as you can see, the new blade is on the left, the old blade is on the right. And we're just finna switch blades so I won't be scratching up my clients. And as you can see here, this is the moving blade. And these two screws right here unlooses that blade, and it makes it easier for it to move. As you can see here, it go up and it go down, up, down. And that's just pretty much just me lining up that blade. As you can see now, kind of getting it close, but you don't want it too close because it is a corded clipper, so it runs on a little bit more power, so you don't want the blade too close. As you can see, I got that blade pretty nice, not too high up and not too low. Because once you screw it back on, as I'm doing now, make sure you screw these two screws back on so it can stay put. And we finna put the blade back on. The same two screws you took out the back, put them right back on so the blade can stay firm on the clipper. And once I screw them bad boys in, we're gonna pretty much have a new clipper. It's gonna cut better, it's gonna cut a little bit more smooth. And as you can see, the difference, the old blade on the left and the new blade on the right. If you guys like this video, comment, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. Yes, sir.